Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a 2013 GMC Sierra. Vehicle came in knocking like crazy. I checked the active fuel cylinders for codes and stuff, so the problem wasn't that active fuel. So the issue was on cylinder number 7. The lifter turned and eat up the camshaft. I mean, this is a catastrophic failure right here. I'm replacing every single lifters on the car. No damage on the block, everything is fine. I'm replacing brand new camshaft. But what I want to talk to you guys about is that when you doing your cleaning on your heads or before put the camshaft, make sure you clear the block for any debris, dirt, sand, coolant, gasket material. So clean your top of the block, your deck of the block, clean it up really good with a razor blade. This is what GM recommends. Use a razor blade to remove the gasket material. Never use this. This takes material from the head and the block. This is like non-recommended at all. I mean, it takes time with these. Just be gentle on it and you will removing every single like material, like the Teflon of it. It will come out really easy and you wouldn't take any extra material from the heads. That's what GM recommends. I've been doing this for a while and I know for working on GM engines, so razor blades work just fine. Don't use the typical air tool. This thing takes material off the heads, and that's my tip today. Stay tuned. See you guys. Thank you.